Within Seesaw, there's a number of ways for students to communicate, both with the teacher as well as with other students. So this video, we're going to look at a few of those options, and then I want you in the discussion post to discuss other ways that you think students can communicate using this LMS features or using other tools and resources. So the first thing I want to highlight is the inbox. So students have access to the inbox where they can send messages to the teacher and the teacher can respond. And this is two-way communication. If families were added into Seesaw, families can also send messages to the teacher in the inbox area. So that's the first method. The next method is in the journal. So in the journal, if I clicked on sample student, this sample student can add to any post comments, likes, as well as private comments to the teacher. Also, if students are allowed to comment on each other's work, which I'll show in a minute, they could add comments on each other's posts as well as likes. So once again, likes, comments, and then this is a private message to the teacher. The third method is for them to actually add and edit to the post in their journal. So they could go to edit post, they could add comments, text, video, photos, and everything on this page as well as their work. They could also add another page and give a private message or comment to the teacher. If the settings are changed or turned on, for example here, students can see each other's work and students can like and comment. You can allow them to like each other's posts. Then students can go in and communicate with each other as well. The last method for the communication that we're going to talk about in this, and there are more methods than I'm highlighting, is called the class blog. If the teacher goes into settings, goes all the way down to the bottom right here where it says class blog, you can actually set up a public blog for the students to add onto their own content, text, pictures, photos, etc. So you can set one up. It's through Seesaw. Students can then post to a blog format as well. And this can also cause student communication. What other things can you think of that help students communicate within Seesaw or using other tools? Feel free to add that to the comments below, as well as follow the discussion directions.